Small member. Okay guys, well it's done. I might go back and paint it, but at the moment it's done. It's just a piece of exhaust pipe, which cost, oh I don't know, $5, $6, something like that. Old brake rotor from a brake job I did today. Piece of scrap steel plate that I used I know I used a lot of fancy tools, but that's because they were here and I'm going to use them. So my $5 grinder that I found at a garage sale now has a base, so I don't have to put it on my stand anymore, and it's just the right height for anything I need to do. And when I'm done with it, I can shove it in the corner and save me some room. Yeah, I know not everybody has all the fancy tools I've got here at the shop, but if you can get access to a welder, you can use any other basic tools for cutting. All you need is access to a welder for even a short amount of time, and you can make one of these and get this put out of your way. And it's light enough to pick up, but it's also heavy enough that it's not going to push over very easily. Comes right back. So that's my little grinder stand. I may make a couple others if I get some polishers. That way I don't have to keep changing heads, and I don't have to keep anything mounted directly to my workbench. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'm going to keep making these videos, so if you like them, subscribe, or let me know if there's something else you want me to try. Thanks.